Hey guys, I'm back with another Captivz egg opening, and they're becoming increasingly harder to find here in Canada, or in British Columbia I should say. I'm going out of my way to track them down, like an hour from where I live, so it's quite the journey. But I found some. They seem to have missing plastic on the bottom and the top of the egg, but it doesn't seem to be cut. I think that's just the way it was packaged. Might be like a Gen 2 type thing. The original ones have the top on them, which is very interesting, very odd. So I'll be keeping, I guess, these ones, now that they don't make them anymore, as like, hey, look, they used to be like this, and now they're like this. So I'll probably just keep like one of these and one of these. You can see the original ones have pretty gimped looking logos. It's kind of stretched a bit, warped, and this one's like less warped, you could say. See? Very odd. But I'll probably not be opening these eggs. I'll just keep them sealed, and I'll stick with opening these ones. So let's dig in. Oh, okay, so unlike the originals, they only have one layer of protective plastic. The originals have two, so maybe this is to cut down on the use of plastic or something. I don't know. But that's very interesting. So let's get this one out. There's that goo we all know and love. And this one's a Stygimoloch. I can see right through the bag. I don't know if you can see. I brought scissors and paper towel because this stuff is sticky. I'm trying to complete a few sets for friends and stuff at this point, but the heck are they expensive. They're like $8 each, so it's not fun getting a bunch of them. I think this cost me like 50 bucks. Blech. Okay, so next egg. And man, is this slime somewhat annoying in these videos. I'll pop the Stygi together. I wonder if these Gen 2 eggs, if the info sheet's a bit different. Nope, still got the indominus. Okay, let's get to work on the next one. Oh wow, that was easy. I like the fact that it's got less plastic. This one is, oh, thank goodness, a Stegosaurus. I ran out of those a while back. So now I can finally get another species to add to my trading pile. Let's take a look. The paint job's nice and gray on this. It's got like a very light wash to it. Interesting. Okay, we got the Stegosaurus. What next? Hopefully some raptors. We haven't seen a lot of raptors lately. And this one looks to be Spinosaurus. Interesting. We're getting herbivores. Lots of herbivores. Let's put that down the middle. And here we go. Very nice. They got the head paint going on with this one. Very bulky figure. Let's get the head on properly, see if that can fit. There we go. Okay, so we got all herbivores, all different ones. Now, let's see if we can get some raptors. Come on. I've only gotten one Indoraptor and one, I think it's Delta Echo so far. So we're vibing. This one is, oh, a baryonyx. Looks like we're getting lucky with our pulls. Okay. There's lots of flies and bees and stuff in the background. All the pollinators are out right now. But thankfully they're all leaving me alone, so that's good. Okay, so let's get the baryonyx out. This one's really cool. There we go. And let's get the slime off. Wicked. Be cool if they made a Captivz Spino. I guess you could customize one to be a Spinosaurus. That's really nice. Look, they've got the little nails painted on the feet. Super cool. Okay. I wonder if we'll get like all different species. Haven't gotten a double yet, which is good. Spoke too soon. We got another Stygimoloch. They seem to be some of the most common ones alongside the Pteranodons. Got quite a few of those. Let's pop that together. There we go. Another Stygimoloch. Okay, one more egg to go. This one is, I think, a Sinoceratops. Oh, throwing the eggs out, whoops. Okay, so let's cut this one out. Get the little booklet too. There we go. And so we got a big bowl of this slime. And let's attach the head. And tail. Boom. Okay. So we got two Sinoceratops, a Stegosaurus, two Stygimoloch, and a baryonyx. Very cool. I definitely needed the Stego and the baryonyx for the trade piles, so that's a fun addition. And I think I need the Sinoceratops. I don't know. But great. We got some doubles for trade, and some of which are not easy to come by. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.